The technology is priced affordably for use by freelancers and businesses of all sizes. In fact, you can get started for as little as $99.99 per year with our basic webinar monetization solution. Gold users get the most competitive solution for $299.99 per year, which includes the Webinar Guest List Builder AI, automatic affiliate conversions, and up to 50% ad revenue share, along with unlimited affiliate recruitment, SEO-enhanced articles, and viral marketing features. For those who want even more power, the Pamper Me Network offers AI Sales Assistant add-ons, priced at $499.99 per month. This includes Facebook and LinkedIn boosting, automated AI follow-ups with guests by email, SMS, phone, LinkedIn, and even WhatsApp. This solution is a full workflow automation designed specifically to drive your prospects from webinar guests to paying customers. With the Webinar Guest List Builder AI, you're not just managing your event guest lists. You're creating a powerful sales engine that rewards you instantly, expands your reach, and maximizes your revenue. Are you ready to transform your webinars from a cost center into a profit center? If so, click the link in the video description to get started today and discover how easy it is to monetize your events, build stronger relationships with your audience, and boost your marketing efforts automatically. Enjoy.